In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily log someone out of your Instagram account. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Instagram app, then go to your profile, hit at that three lines and select settings and privacy. Then at the very top, tap at account center. You will be taken to this page where you should tap at password and security, and that's where you can easily find where you are logged in. Just tap on that. That will show you your Facebook and Instagram accounts that are associated with that account center, and all you have to do is just get into your Instagram account, and that will show you all the devices that you are currently signed in. And if you see that some of the devices are not yours, you can check mark those devices. You can check mark multiple devices at the same time and then just hit at log out. And what that will do, that will immediately log out your account from the selected devices. And once you've done with that, to protect your account, I recommend you to go back to password and security, and then get into change password, then select your Instagram account, and then on that page you will be able to change your Instagram password, so no one will be able to get access to your Instagram account. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about the tutorial, hit the like button if you liked that video, and I see you in the next one.